Hello students, I'm teacher David. Today teacher now use video clip give you lesson. Now sorry teacher today need to go to immigration to do visa run. So teacher had to give you video clip for review. Now next week we plan to give you final term assessments. But today now we will give you a review. Now R1 please follow teacher. Now let's go. For the last semester, teacher used almost now one lesson. Let's you write Chinese character, right? Even also give you homework to write Chinese character from 1 to 10, from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Now almost one character, now 10 times. Now, but for this years, you need to write Chinese character from 1 to 100 in Chinese. But we don't have time because now next week we'll have final assessment. But next month you're gonna have final term exam. Now, so the first thing you must know how to write Chinese character from 1 to 40. Now, R1, please follow teacher. From 1 to 40, 40. Now for the page, your Chinese book, page 25, page 25, 25页. The number 4 question, right? The first one, the book asks you now fill in the blanks with the correct finals and mark the tone, right? But teacher also change the question, right? Ask you write Chinese pinyin and Chinese character, right? Pinyin character. The book only asks you to write down the finals and Chinese character. But now teacher in the final assessments, now teacher also need to change the question. So from 1 to 10, 1 to 10, teacher will give you. So means now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 are given in the final exam assessment question. Clear? From 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 is given. Is given. These characters are given. Now, so the following one from 11 to 40. From 11 to 40, 11 to 40, you need to write on your own. But this one is very easy, right? It's very easy because all character from 1 to 10, right? For example, 11, where is 11? 10 is here, right? 1 is here. Now you just write Chinese character here directly, 11, and then 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 20, 21, 22. Okay, this one. Now, the first now character, the first line character from 1 to 10 are given. The other one, the following question, I will give you now pinyin or pronunciation. You need to, according to the pinyin, to write Chinese characters. Clear this one? This is first question. First question from 11 to 40. From 11 to 40 from here. From 41 to 99, we now finish. So it's not important. So only from 11 to 40 are clear. 11 to 40, you need to write Chinese character on your own. Now this is first question. Now notice, attention please. From 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Now these characters are given in the final assessments. You need to write Chinese character according to the pinyin. Now this is the first question. And second question, please open your book. Page 24. Page 24. 24页. 24页. The first question. The first question. Now everyone look at the screen. Now the first question, now read, not read, write. But for you now, write is very easy, right? It's very easy. But the book cannot check your pronunciation. So the first thing you must know how to read it. How to read it. Okay, copy, everyone can copy because it does not simple syllables or words. Okay, now you must know how to now read it. Now the first one, an, pronounce an. Now you can copy this word into the blanks. And the second one, ai. Now here, e pronounce I, hi, right? The same as English pronunciation. I. Okay, this one. Now the second group is an. Now now you just copy in the blank. En, in. Now here, e pronounce e. Okay, here, e, a, o, e, u, u, right? E, u, right? E, now here, cannot pronounce u, now pronounce u. Now the same as now English pronunciation. U, v, w, right? Eu. Now, so the question still now use this format to give you question because we question mark from the books. Okay, but you know, for my side, you must know how to read these syllables. Okay, this is number one question. Also, as our final term assessments, now the second question. The number two question is fill in the blanks with correct finals and mark the tones. But this one is not for our now question because for you it's very difficult. But teachers still need to review for you. Now the first one, scarf. Scarf in Chinese is 围巾. Now this is Chinese character 围巾. The pinyin is 围巾. W pronounced what? Right? Wear, right? Wear. A, wei, right? G for jeep. En, jin, 围巾. So the final is in after in. Now jin. Now here e pronounce e, right? I pronounce e. En, 围巾. After this is the final. The second one is now tank. Now tank in Chinese is 坦克. Now because this one will translate into translated by pronunciation, the same pronunciation, tank, 坦克, like mango, 芒果, right? The pinyin is tan, 坦, ke, 克, t for top, an, right? 坦, clear? K for key, right? Keep or key. 可, 坦克. So the final is an, right? 坦克. Clear? Number three is snowman. 雪人. Now this is Chinese character 雪人. Now the pinyin is 雪人. X pronounce 西 ü, 薛. Now R pronounce now now ruler, right? Ruler, ren, ruler, ren are clear. Now everyone, you can notice this one. Why teacher, this yu, this is wu. Okay, sometimes now it's very difficult to input yu. You can check your now keyboard, don't have yu, now this now word, right? So we use wu. You cannot pronounce sure, cannot. With you now have yu sound. Xue, yue, xue, xue, ruler, ren, ren. So its final is ren. Clear? Now about the second question, we won't put now final term assessments. Now this is number 2 question. Now page 25, number 3 question. Now number 3 question, we still now put final term assessments. Now number 3 is right. Now this question is super easy, but for you still need to repeat, still need to know how to read it. M for more, right? More, make. P for put, G for jeep. Now en, now join together. Make, in, mean. P combine initial with finals, mean. Okay. The second one, put, in, pin, right? Put in, pin. Now jeep, in, jin. Okay, this question is very easy. Now the second now group is the ZH. We can now find English vocabulary now begin with ZH, right? Now so this one, like this one, zhi, okay, zhi, like juice. Now this one, okay, zhi. Now B for book. Now 8 for hair. Now n. The third one, right? N. Now join together, zhen, right? Zhen. Now P combine initial with finals. Clear this one. This blank is a combination now B and N. Ben. Clear book. N. Ben. Hair. N. Hen. Clear. Are you clear this one? Now, so the final term exam is page 24 and 25 up here, but question a little change. Now R1, now we still review last week teacher taught you, right? Now, let's go. Last week teacher taught you about the weeks. 1 week has 7 days. Now you must know the 星期. Now for English, Monday is 星期一. Tuesday is 星期二. Now Wednesday is 星期三. Thursday 星期四. Friday 星期五. Okay, from Monday to Friday, you need to study. Okay, this one. Now these are studying days. Now the weekend is now Saturday and Sunday. Now Saturday in Chinese is 星期六. The last one is different, is now 星期日. Now from Monday to Saturday is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one is Sunday. Sun in Chinese is 日. 星期日. Okay, now how to write it? 1, standing line. 2, sleeping line with a standing line. 3, 4. Now join together. Now one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is now stand for sun. Now we pronounce 日, 星期日. Clear? Now this is Chinese character 星期. 星期 means start date. It means one day, right? 1 day. Okay, this one. Now the second one, the second topic is 1 year has 12 months. 12 months. I think so for English, also for you very hard to know how to spell from January to December. But for Chinese, it's very easy, right? Very easy. Now we just found 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, only put the months. 月, 月, 月 is stand for moon or months. Okay, months or moon. Now in Chinese, it's 月. How to write it? Everyone, please look at the slide. Look at the screen. 1, 2. Remember there is a small hook. Sleeping line, sleeping line. Okay, this Chinese character 月. Everyone look at the pronunciation. Y for yellow, right? 月, 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 right? 月. Okay, January 1月, February 2月, March 3月, April 4月, May 5月, June 6月, July 7月, August 8月, September 9月, October 10月, November 11月, December 12月. Okay, this from 1 to 12. So you must know how to write Chinese character from 1 to 12, from 1 to 12. And then you must know how to write 星期, 星期, not here, 星期, and months, 月, 月. Okay, now today is Chinese Middle Autumn Festival. Now it stands for Union. So happy Middle Autumn now festival to our students. Now in that day, now teacher is a moon cake. Moon cake. We call it 月饼. 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 Moon 月饼. Okay, this one 月饼. Because that day the moon is a circle. It's a fully circle. Okay, we call it Middle Autumn now festival. We call it 中秋节. 中秋节. Now from that day, the weather, the climate getting cold. So after now, December, November, December, or 11月, 12月 is the winter for Chinese, for China. Okay, now today is 中秋节. 中秋节. Now this is now for today review. Today review. Now, teacher also will send the review topic in the line group. Now please now review. Now next week we're gonna give you assessments. Now sorry for today. Now see you next week. Goodbye.